I got a 2012 Ford F-150. I'm gonna install a hideaway kicker right here. I'm gonna be installing right there. So I make a cut right there, and I ran the wire through here. As you can see, I'll fix this wire later on. I'm gonna adjust it about right there because the amp's gonna be like this, like so right here. So we're gonna plug it in here. And then we got the remote base already ran right here too, and I did run the ground right here, sand it really good. And then I got the brown white and brown blue. I forgot which one's positive and negative. I have a cheat sheet that I looked at. So I use a T-tab on this T-tab right here, and I got the white and gray together to the brown white. That's a positive right there, and white black and gray black, which is negative, will go to brown blue. And after I got everything done, I'm gonna leave the wire long enough so I can move around a little bit and push it all back. And I'm gonna wrap this wire together like this and leave about that much out so I can just put it right next to it right here, so about like that, like so. And I'm gonna wrap this. So I use a WD-40 and I poke a hole a little bit. See how I can pull it out right there, so easy. And that's where I run the power. And as you can see, a bunch of wire right here, right? Now plug in the jack right there. This 2 jack, there's a remote right here, and then this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pin. So after that, I put this right here, and I screw just one side, so I can just screw this in on this side and this side. I'm gonna use a shorter screw if I have to, because, well, I don't know, there shouldn't be anything. They just use the same screw they have. It's about right there. And I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna make sure everything works first. I'm gonna use a heat shrink tube. I bought this from Amazon. Shouldn't be that expensive. You come with everything right here. Since I'm using an 8 gauge, I'm gonna twist it, or actually, what do you call that? Gosh, it must be too early today. It's around 9 o'clock. I'm making a video out of this, and I just got to the shop and work on this. So yeah, you bend it and then you push it in and crimp it. You crimp it with right here. I use Klein tool and push that in. I'm gonna use this little torch and heat it up. That's what it looks like when you're done. Heat it up. And this, we're gonna go to the other red wire. I'm gonna slide it in here. After you take this 10mm out right here, just remove it to the left, just lefty. Here we got the base knob control. It's supposed to be right there, but the customer doesn't want me to screw anything, so he's gonna use a Velcro. And that concluding our installation. Thanks for watching.